I found you right when you walked in. I felt it. There was something magic in this room. I found you in an unexpected moment. All the world got quiet and I knew. Standing here together with your hand in mine, I wanna know what forever feels like. Standing here together with your hand in mine, I wanna know what forever feels like.
Did you leave the garage open? Did you let the dog out? Did you put the groceries away? Meet Nest Cam. You can set it up and connect it to Wi-Fi in less than a minute and see your home in beautiful high-definition video. Use it to solve mysteries, the big ones and the little ones. You'll get an alert if there's motion or sound, and you can talk back.
Henry, bad boy, off.
It lets you see once the lights go out, so you can take care of the things that go bump in the night. And with a Nest Aware subscription, you can even go back in time to save the moments you want to remember. Nest Cam.
In a short way, we wanted to sit everywhere and anywhere. This was because we had been at an apero and we realized people were standing. And from that idea, we thought, why don't we make a simple exoskeleton that just solves one problem: sitting. And that's how the idea sort of shot off. The Chairless Chair is a sitting support for industry workers who have to work standing. It allows them to sit wherever they are working. When I say wherever they're working, it's because you wear it around your legs and you can walk around with it. And then you can just lock the knee and sit.
Gestartet hat das Ganze mit der Hauptherausforderung, dass wir eigentlich das System vereinfacht haben. Wir haben versucht, die ganze Systemarchitektur eben zu vereinfachen, das System robust zu gestalten und somit war es auch möglich, die Herstellkosten um rund 70% zu reduzieren.
We had the Zulke guys as part of the Nuni team, and we could say those were like our extended engineering team. Zulke was more, I'd say, accommodating to startups, more friendly, and what we liked about it was that their relationship with us was as an extension to Nuni, rather than having this barrier where this is a service provider and we're the client.
Ein weiterer Vorteil aus Nunis Sicht war in diesem Projekt, dass Nuni bei uns einquartiert war und somit konnten wir relativ schnell Entscheidungen treffen und es ging pragmatisch vorwärts.
The first company to actually show large interest was Audi and BMW. These were the two big car manufacturers, and those were the places where we tested.
Durch die Flexibilität, die wir gemeinsam hatten in diesem Projektoffice, konnte Nuni dann immer wieder neue Produktversionen beim Kunden testen und somit auch gleich Feedback einholen.
We've also further then tested with Daimler and Renault and also Airbus. So after the small production here of 250, we're going to move the production to Germany, where we will do let's say the series production.
We spend our lives creating special moments, whether we're catching up with close friends, making dinner with a loved one, or just finding time to kick back and relax. And sometimes we enjoy these moments with a glass of wine. But when you open a bottle of wine, it just doesn't taste as good the next day. And that's why we made Syphon. So you can open a bottle, pour a glass, and keep the rest tasting perfect to the last drop. There's a world of preservation pumps, sprays, crafts, and stoppers out there. Syphon is different. It doesn't try to take air out of the bottle, it prevents air from getting in. To use Syphon, remove the cork and place Syphon in the neck of the bottle. Our swappable closures make sure it works with all bottle types, even screw tops. As you pour a glass, Syphon fills the bottle with argon. This makes an inert environment inside the bottle, keeping your wine fresh for weeks. It's like you never opened the bottle in the first place. Unlike oxygen, argon doesn't react with wine. That's why winemakers use it throughout the winemaking process to prevent oxidation at the winery. A perfect glass, every time.
I've been working in wine for the last 5 years, specifically in New York City. I've worked behind the bar, on the floor as a sommelier. The glass wine preserved with Syphon compared to the fresh glass was strikingly similar. I was honestly very surprised. Usually wine falls off within 3 or 4 days, and this one was open over a week, and it tasted amazing. Syphon's gonna help the casual wine drinker buy a bottle and be able to keep it and enjoy it at their pace, which is often the biggest obstacle in buying a bottle. I think Syphon will be an amazing asset for the casual wine drinker.
We're a small, self-funded startup with backgrounds in product design and manufacturing. Our goal is to make wine products that are simple and enjoyable for everyone. This led us on a journey of extensive research, design, and testing. Let Syphon make your wine last so you can focus on making moments that last.